Have you ever wondered why some products fly off the shelf while others never get a second look? It usually isn't the technology, it's the design. Here's what many founders don't realize. Customers judge your product before they ever use it. In seconds, sometimes less, they decide, does it look premium? Does it look trustworthy? Does it solve a problem? Is it worth my money? Those decisions happen before they know anything about what's inside. That's the power of industrial design. And it's about much more than making a product look good. It's about creating desire, building confidence, making your product feel intuitive, comfortable, premium, easy to use. Because people buy with emotion, then justify with logic. This is where many teams make a costly mistake. They wait until the engineering is finished, then ask someone to make it look better. But great industrial design doesn't happen at the end. It happens from the beginning, working side by side with engineering. Because every design decision affects something else. Manufacturing, assembly, ergonomics, material selection, production costs, the customer experience, everything is connected. At Rabbit Product Design, our senior industrial designers collaborate with our engineering team from day one, not to create something flashy, but to create something people actually want to own. Something that feels right, looks right, functions beautifully, and can actually be manufactured. Here's another surprise. Better industrial design often reduces manufacturing costs. We simplify shapes, reduce unnecessary parts, improve ergonomics, increase perceived value, without adding unnecessary complexity. That's strategic design, not decoration. We recently worked with a founder who had a product that solved a real problem. The idea was solid, the functionality was there, but it looked like a prototype, not a product. Our team refined the proportions, improved the user experience, simplified the overall design, and gave it a premium appearance while keeping manufacturing practical. The product didn't just look better, it became more desirable, more memorable, more competitive. That's what great industrial design does. At Rabbit Product Design, our senior designers have helped develop thousands of products across consumer, medical, industrial, commercial, and connected devices. We don't chase trends, we create products designed to stand the test of time. Because great design isn't about making something different, it's about making something unforgettable. If you're serious about bringing your product to market, don't treat industrial design like the finishing touch. It's one of the biggest factors in whether customers choose your product or someone else's. Schedule a free strategy session. Click the link in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.